welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tabsheer Tech and Reviews. So in today's video, let's see how to log into internet banking without providing the login details like username, user ID, and password by just using your iMobile app. How to log into internet banking on laptop. How to log into internet banking on laptop. That's what we'll be seeing in today's video. So it's going to be a quick video. I'll make it really short. Before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe, guys. So yeah, let's get started. So there's a iMobile app which I have opened. So once you sign in using your Face ID or your PIN, so this should show up. So once done, on the bottom you should see something called as me. Click on me, and here you'll see login to internet banking. That's what we'll be going to use. And before that, you'll have to keep one page open. So you'll have to search for rib login ICICI. So once you search, open the first link, and this should be the URL: ICICIBank.in, personal banking, ways to banking. And here you should see login. Click on login. So it should open a new page. Here is where we are going to use the iMobile app. So here there will be something called as QR code. It's not just QR code, you can log in through mobile number as well, but QR code is what we are going to explore with. So you need to click login to internet banking. It will open up a camera where which you need to point it to the QR code which you have opened over here. So just point it and it will ask for confirmation. Click on proceed. See this successful message. QR scans. QR scanned successfully. Please wait while we are processing your login actively. So that's the message what you'll see. So that's all. It will open up and you're logged into internet banking as well. So it's that simple to log into internet banking using just the iMobile app without providing user ID and the password. So hope this was useful. I wanted to make this really quick. So hope you liked it. So if you like the video, please do the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, guys. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. If there are any queries, please post in the comment section. So yeah, let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.